Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tip tutorial. So today I'm talking about something that excites me a lot because it's a tool, it's a tip that I use all the time. And to be honest, if they ever discontinue, I think it's gonna be like the worst thing, the worst decision they can make. It's a way to save a lot of time, and I recommend you, if you're not using it already, to start using it as soon as possible. So before I go into the how-to, I'm gonna tell you like the previous step, which is identifying with what you're gonna be implementing this tip. Basically, I'm gonna teach you how to create your custom shortcodes. And the way I do it is when I'm working on something and I identify that I am repeating too much of these like clicks. So going to this tool too many times or clicking 3 buttons in order for something to happen, I wonder if I can automate that with a shortcode. So I recommend you to start there. Identify things that you are repeating enough for you to identify and say, maybe I could shorten the time it's taking me this. And it's not about things that taking you 10 minutes. I'm talking about things that probably are taking you 15 seconds and could take you 1 second. So that's the sweet spot we're looking for. Now, once you have identified those like repeatable actions that you take and you want to turn into a shortcode, you're going to create your custom shortcode. And this is how you do it. I'm going to teach you how to do it in Illustrator and Photoshop. It's exactly the same. But yeah, I just want to prove it to you that it's very similar. So on Illustrator, you're going to go to Edit and then Keyboard Shortcuts, and it's going to open a panel for you. Now, by default, you can see here it says Claudia. This is because I have already started creating my own shortcuts and it asked me to create like a folder for them. So these are mine. But probably if you have never used it before, it will say Illustrator defaults. It's fine. Just search the tool that you want to automate it or that you want to create a new shortcut for. So for example, something I lately have been using a lot, and I don't think I have a shortcut yet for it, it's to scale things. So I'm gonna go and find that option. I know it's under the menu commands, so not under tools. I'm gonna go to menu commands and go to, I think it's edit, no, it's object, transform, and scale. So this is exactly what I click every time I need to scale something. Once I have identified where this is exactly, sometimes it has already shortcuts and I didn't even know they were there because I didn't learn how to use them. Or sometimes they are keys that I'm not used to use or they are not in the Spanish keyboard. So, okay, in this case, there is not a shortcut. So you can see in the column of shortcut, it's empty. So all I need to do is click here until I can edit it and type the one that I think would make sense for me. So when I think of scale, sorry, I'm in reflect. When I think of scale, I think of the letter S, but S it's for save. So I don't want to confuse myself or to use a shortcut that I'm already using in something else. So I'm gonna think about big, okay? And big, it has the letter B. So I'm gonna, instead of Command B, which I already use for other things, I'm gonna do Command minus B. So I'm gonna type this here, and it says this shortcut was already in use by the height bouncing box command. Honestly, this one is an annoying one. I don't want to have it, so it's perfect for me to replace it. If you identify that it's actually one that you use, just come up with another key combination, and that's it. Once you have decided this is it, click OK. Are you sure you want to override? Yes. I want to save it in this one. And now every time I click this, let's say I want to scale this, if I click Command minus V, it opened this for me and I don't have to go to Object, Transform, Scale. It's already automated for me. And as you can see, it saves me a lot of seconds, which at the end of the day ends up saving minutes and at some point hours. Okay, so let's go to Photoshop and let me show you how to do it there. It's exactly the same. You go to Edit and then Keyboard Shortcuts, and you find here the exact keyword or the exact thing you want to automate. Actually, you know what? I find that the selection tools, all being in the L mode, it doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna do, can I do something with lasso? It should be S or, so I'm gonna do, if I do Command L, what happens? Let's see. Oh no, I need to find the letter only. And if I do S, Yeah, I think S could work. So S is going to be for lasso for me. And then I can save this. Okay. And now if I click L, it's going to come to the first selection tool. And if I click S, it's going to come to the lasso tool. Amazing. So this is how you create your shortcuts. It can be one letter if it's one tool, like this for the menu tool. It can be a combination of letters if it's an actual like action, something that you find from the menu or even on some panels like here. So hopefully you'll find this useful and you'll start implementing it. I promise you it's going to be a time saver. And the more you get used to use shortcuts, the better, because at the end of the day, you probably think it's not that much of a difference, but it is. It's a huge difference. Okay, I'll see you soon with another Tuesday tip. Bye.